Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? P plus inch, pinch. Ki plus tear, hit hair. Pinch hitter. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Hello. Thank you, Art. Hi, folks, and welcome to the start of what we hope will be another terrific week here on Classic Concentration. Lady on my right is our returning champion. She has no strikes against her, hasn't lost a game, hasn't done all that well in the winner's circle, but she's picked up over $5,000 in prizes. This is Eunice Dorman. Won a holiday in Acapulco for herself and her mom. Your mom's a go-getter, right?
You better believe it.
Okay, good luck to you today against this newcomer. Please help us welcome Jennifer Lee Levitz. Hiya, Jennifer Lee.
Hello, Alex.
Welcome aboard. Where are you from?
Thank you. I'm a New Englander.
Really?
Yes, I am.
Whereabouts?
Gloucester, Massachusetts.
Gloucester.
Really. I live about 2 blocks from the ocean in a 250-year-old house. It's very special. I love my home.
It sounds special. You're just visiting?
I'm visiting...
Friends, relatives?
It's just a combination of both.
Okay.
I'm staying with a friend.
All right. You ready to play our game and win?
Yes.
Okay. Take a look over here and we will show you a good prize.
Amisco's Paris Love Seat and Armchair. Soft leather, contemporary styling, and tubular steel construction. Sturdy and comfortable are this duo's assets. Furnished by Amisco. Alex?
And we will show our contestants where they can find that. The love seat and chair at number 11. Remember where you saw it. Jennifer Lee, you've come this far west to visit friends and relatives. You might enjoy going further west all the way to Hawaii because that's the holiday we have in this game. You get to pick first.
All right. Let's start up in the corner with number 5.
Shower massager.
Shower massager. That would be fun, wouldn't it? 17 for a match.
Love seat and chair. No match. Eunice?
Okay, how about number 11?
For the love
And
seat.
17 for the match.
Right.
I'm not going to do that again, Eunice.
You sure?
Open it up, please. Show Eunice.
Not a clue yet.
Go again.
Let's take a look at lucky number 13 for that trip to Hawaii.
Yes.
Oh, I need a wild card or a match under number 20.
His and her diamond watches. Jennifer.
13. All right, now I don't have to take it away from you. I'm going to get it myself. That trip to Hawaii under number 1.
No, microwave.
Microwave. All right, we want a wild card or a microwave under number 20.
No, those are the diamond watches. Eunice.
Let's still look for the match to that trip under number 10.
Marble table
We haven't
lamps.
seen that one yet. How about a match under number 7?
Shower massager. No match.
I know
Jennifer.
where that is. That's under number 5 for the shower massager
Right.
and number 7 for the match.
You are correct.
All right, here we go.
A little prize, but a significant one because it gives Jennifer a little bit of confidence and it gives her a look at the puzzle as well.
Okay, here we go.
Select.
Okay, corner number 25, please.
Green take.
I want that for the future, and I want a wild card in a number 9.
Athletic wear for 2. Eunice.
Let's take a look and see if that trip's under number 10.
Marble table
Oh,
lamps.
we saw that. Where was that? Under number 19?
No, that's a computer. Jennifer.
But I'm not going to remember either. All right, another corner, number 21.
Athletic wear for 2.
And I guessed that, didn't I? Wow. Number 9.
Athletic wear for 2. Yeah, we had just seen it. But it was a
Funny.
surprise to you.
My mind is just so blank, I can't believe
That's
it.
all right. You're doing well.
Okay,
Take
thank
a look.
you.
Go again.
Okay. Number 3, please.
Marble
And
table
that
lamps.
is number 10,
Number
right?
10, right?
Okay, good. Here we go.
Take a look.
Take a look.
Select.
Boy. Number 23, please.
Red take.
Did I do that already? Okay. 12 for the match. Yes!
I guess if you say it quickly like that. 12 for the match.
Okay,
It works. Here's the take.
I'll hold it this time, okay?
All right.
All right.
Jennifer Lee is going to hold it this time. And we will show her what is hidden behind these two doors. Go again.
All right. Number 18, please.
Home security system.
Okay. I want to protect my home with a number 2 for the match.
No, green
Okay.
tape. Eunice.
Let's take a look under number 24.
Wild card.
Number 13, Hawaii.
13, dead center for the holiday in Hawaii. The other holiday in Hawaii is at number 16, but Jennifer Lee is saying, but I've got to take, and she may use it, but she might not have a chance to use it if Eunice solves this puzzle right now. Go again.
Let's take a look under number 22.
There's a wild card again, Eunice.
I need to see what's behind number 14.
Microwave. We saw that a while ago up top at number 1. Microwave is there. 3 panels opening for Eunice.
Didn't help.
Go again.
Let's take a look at number 18.
Home security system.
we saw
Still
that.
1 wild card up there.
Was that under number 20?
No. Those are the diamond watches.
Which
Jennifer
we've
Lee.
seen a couple of times
Yes,
already.
thanks to you early on.
Yes, I guess we want to see what's under number 15, please.
Wild card.
I want everything! Well, in that case, how about number 20?
Number 20. That's the diamond
diamond
watches.
watches.
The other diamond watches at number 8. You've got a red take here. It's getting late in the game.
Oh, yeah, get there. Are you kidding? I want that trip, please. No.
Holiday in Hawaii. We have to take it away from Eunice and give it to Jennifer Lee and open these 3 panels to see if she can solve the puzzle. Pick again, Jennifer Lee.
Oh, okay. Number 2, please.
Green take.
And number 18.
Nope.
Oh!
Eunice.
Number 25.
Green take.
And number 2.
She's going to take that trip back.
Give me my Hawaii trip back. My mother will
Is she
kill
going to
me.
win? Is she going to guess it? You know it. You know it. Because I do.
Eunice, can you solve this puzzle? Take a look. Well, 1 match will help you immensely, Eunice.
Number 6.
Computer.
And, we haven't seen that. 4? No. Oh.
Jennifer.
Well, let's say number 18, please.
Security system.
Isn't it amazing how the mind goes
Hurry.
away? 4.
Jennifer, let me give you a little bit of advice.
Yes.
When you are running against time limits, this is no time to start talking about your mind.
Got
Just
it.
pick the number.
I got it.
You could have taken too much time there.
Thank you for the help. I
All right,
appreciate
home
it.
security system goes up there. We'll open those 2 doors, and then we'll show you 6 and 19.
Yes.
They match.
I want
That's
a
the computer.
Okay,
And now, Jennifer Lee, when these doors open, solve the puzzle, please.
Is it? Take it to the limit.
Take it to the limit, says Jennifer, and Jennifer is right. Come on, you don't have to go to the limit, just to the wall, where you get to explain the puzzle.
Okay. There's a T plus hay plus K is take, and there's a hit to, and then the, and this is a limb plus hit is take it to the limit.
Well done. Nicely done indeed. And just 1 strike against Eunice, so she's going to come back, and I have a feeling she's coming back with a vengeance in game number 2. We'll see. But right now, let's go over to Art and hear about the prizes for Jennifer Lee Levitt.
Jennifer Lee, you have marble table lamps and a shower massager. A service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a shower massager or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores furnished by Service Merchandise. And athletic wear for 2. Sergio Tacchini's European-styled his and her outfits. A choice of activewear, tennis wear, and shoes in the latest fabrics and colors. Furnished by Sergio Tacchini. a home security system, safe and sound wireless home security system designed for easy installation, engineered to provide the ultimate in security. Safe and sound, furnished by Demango Products. His and Her Diamond Watches. Jules Jurgensen's His and Her Classic Series Diamond Dial Watches. Elegantly styled his with 20 genuine diamonds, hers with 10. The Classic Series, furnished by Jules Jurgensen. And a computer, the Apple Macintosh Classic Personal Computer. A transportable system for home, education, and business tasks. Powerful technology that's easy to use. A prize package totaling $2,560.
Good win, Jennifer Lee, and we'll give you a chance to play for a brand new car also when we come back. All right, Jennifer Lee, you ready for this?
No, but I'm ready.
You've watched the program.
I sure do.
Even in Gloucester, Mass. they watch the
Absolutely.
program. Here are the 15 numbered squares for you. Here is base time on the clock, 35 seconds. Good luck, go to work.
1, 3.
Nope.
4, 6.
No.
7, 9.
No.
10, 12.
No.
13, 15.
No.
14, 9.
Yes.
11, 7.
No.
8, 15.
No.
5, 13.
No.
13, 15.
No.
My mind went. 7, 1.
You're funny.
I'm gonna say
Your mind takes a little walk on you every once in a while, but that's okay. You've got $2,560, so your mind worked pretty well in that first
I
game,
like
and you're
it.
going into game number 2 right after this break.
Great.
Only one player is vulnerable. That's Eunice, so she has to win this game if she wants to stay with us on the program. Jennifer Lee might have something to say about that. You're playing for, among other things, this fun prize.
You may zip along up to 15 miles an hour in this mini Corvette convertible featuring a high-gloss body, 3-horsepower gasoline engine in a go-kart chassis furnished by Action Industries. Alex.
Children or grandchildren would love that, right, Eunice?
My grandchildren go crazy.
Show you where you can find it on the board. The mini Corvette is at number 1. $600 in the cash pot, 5 bonus seconds in this game, and a holiday in Las Vegas.
Oh, my kind of town.
My kind of town indeed. Eunice, you pick first.
Let's look for that trip to Vegas or the car under 13.
Las Vegas Escape.
Give me a wild card under number 15.
Wild card. The Las Vegas Escape would have had a natural match if you had gone directly
right
above at number 8. 3 doors opening up for Eunice right now. Pick again.
Let's take a look under number 11, see if we can match that car.
Refrigerator, freezer.
How about a match or a wild card under number 18?
5 bonus car seconds. Jennifer Lee.
I want the 5 bonus car seconds. We know I need it. 21, please.
Cash
And
pot.
a cash pot even more. I want a wild card or a match under number 4, please.
There's a wild card for you. The other cash pot at number 17. And so 3 doors opening up, but this time for Jennifer Lee.
Is that creature?
Pick again.
Okay. Number 16, please.
5 bonus seconds.
Okay, and that's under number 14?
No, we have an armoire there. Eunice?
I think those bonus car seconds were under number 18
Right.
and number 16.
You are correct.
All right. We still have tips.
Take a look. Select.
Let's try lucky number 7. I still want that car. Oh,
Wild card.
number 1.
The Mini Corvette is at number 1. It is also at number 3.
Okay.
3 doors going to open up right now for Eunice. Pick again.
I'm going to have to take a look under number 9. How about a match under number 24?
No, red take.
Okay.
Jennifer?
I got to get both of those. Okay, let's go for number 20, please.
Red.
And the red take is under number 9.
Red take.
Oh, no, it's the green.
Yeah, I was all set to give
Number
it to you.
24, please.
24 says Eunice.
And number 20.
and 20. That's the combination that gives you the red tape.
Protection, boy.
Now, do you see? You've got a Las Vegas vacation on your
I need
side.
the cash pot.
And she has $600 in cash.
I think I better
And you're a
save that
blackjack
because
player.
I want my trip and my Corvette, so I don't want her to take either one.
$600 in cash that come in handy going to Vegas.
I'm not sure what the puzzle is, so I better.
All right.
Good job.
Let's open the 2 doors
Okay.
for you then. See if you can help yourself a little bit more.
No, let's take a look under number 14.
Armoire,
Oh, we haven't seen that yet. How about number 6?
hardwood flooring. Jennifer Lee.
Yes, we did see it, but I don't remember where it is. At number 12.
Diamond and emerald ring.
Yes, I'd love that. A match for that under number 5, please.
Yes.
All right. Yes.
2 more doors opening up. This time for Jennifer Lee. Select.
I would like to see number 19, please.
Green take.
Number 9.
Green take. You've got one. Eunice has one. She has more prizes up there than you have. She's got
She does.
The bonus second,
Bonus seconds or
mini
the trip?
Corvette, or the trip.
Oh my God, this is a tough. I'll take the bonus seconds.
All right. Bonus seconds
I want
for
those bonus seconds.
Jennifer Lee. She didn't come near your mini Corvette.
Not yet.
2 doors opening up for Miss Levitz. Select again.
Okay, number 22, please.
Refrigerator, freezer.
And that is under number 2, please.
Nope, that's a compact disc
Oh,
player.
I want that.
Whoa, there's the bell. Eunice, you won't get a chance to use this after all. Take a look at the puzzle, ladies. We'll start revealing. 2, 6, 10, 11, 14, 22, 23, 25. Eunice.
Camelot.
Camelot sounds right. Wonderful things happen in Camelot. Got 2 good prizes for you, Eunice. Let's go to the board.
I had the hard time with the camel. I kept thinking neck, but it's camel and a lot for sale. Camelot.
Camelot is right, and you're a winner in this game, and you've handed Jennifer Lee her first X.
I'll be back.
You will indeed, and we will see you in that next game. Right now, let's hear about 2 terrific prizes for Eunice. Art?
Yes, Eunice, you've got a Las Vegas escape. We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Las Vegas, and you'll spend 6 nights at Bally's Casino Resort, Las Vegas. Fun and excitement is yours with 6 first-class restaurants, 2 showrooms, and a 40-shop mall, furnished by Bally's Casino Resort. And, of course, the fun-to-drive mini Corvette, a prize package worth $2,718.
I'm sure they will. Can she win a real car, a big car? We'll find out after this break. Eunice says, this time I'm going to be cool. Let's see. 15 numbered squares. 55 seconds on the clock, Eunice. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5,
Yep.
10, 4,
No.
7, 11, 6, 7,
No.
12, 13,
No.
4, 14,
No.
1, 14,
Yep.
15, 4,
Yep.
7, 12,
No.
8, 3,
No.
3, 12,
Yep.
6, 11.
Yep. Well, you did better.
Better.
You did better. You were within
not
2
great.
cars of winning a brand new one, but you've got $7,909 in prizes to enjoy, and the thought of playing again. We'll take a break. Art?
Some of today's participants may receive Waverly wall coverings designed to beautify and customize your home. You may choose from the Time and Again collection furnished by Waverly. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
We'll see you all tomorrow. So long, everyone.
This is Art James speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.